To draw internal lines on a piece, select the draft tool to turn your cursor into a pencil. Click inside the piece, then click OK to confirm the starting point. Use Shift-H to lock the cursor horizontally, or Shift-V to lock the cursor vertically. Right-click to finish drafting the line. When starting the line on the external contour, the system will add a point if there is not one already. Drag and click the mouse to set the next point in the line. To add curve points while drafting, hold the Shift key, otherwise the system will add non-curve points by default. Right-click to finish. To disable the dialogues that pop up after adding each point, go to the View menu and untick Move Point Confirmation. To draft a line by an angle, press the F2 key while drafting and choose one of the preset angles, or enter a custom drafting angle.